Hello children, welcome to the Word of Knowledge. Children, now we all know about 2D basic shapes. Today we will learn about some 3D basic shapes. Now what is this 3D? 3D shapes are those shapes which has 3 dimensions. We all know about dimensions. I told you in my previous lesson. Okay, now 3D is the shape which has 3 dimensions. They are not plane shapes. They are not flat shapes. And broadly speaking, we can say the 3D shape is the shape which can be used for storage. Children, let's understand the 3D structures with these examples. Now, we will understand about this one. This is a cube. This is a cube. I have a Ludo dice. This is the example of a cube. Now, what the cube is? Cube is a structure which has all the sides of same length. Okay, a cube has 6 sides. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You all have seen Ludo dice and it has 6 sides with 6 different numbers. Now come to the next structure. This is cuboid. This chessboard is an example of a cuboid. How? Let's count its side. The side of a 3D structure is known as face. So, how many faces have a cuboid? Just count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The cuboid has 6 faces. How many faces we have seen in cube? 6 faces. The Ludo dice has 6 faces. The cube also has 6 faces. The cuboid also has 6 faces. So, what is the difference? The difference between the cube and the cuboid is that the cube has all the sides of same length or same size, but the cuboid has sides of different length. Do you remember the square? The square was the 2D shape and the rectangle was the 2D shape. Now the cube is made up of squares. Many squares when joined together make a cube which has all the 4 sides same, and when many rectangles are joined together to form what structure they form? They form a cuboid. The cube and cuboid both are made up of square and rectangles respectively. Come to the next 3D structure. This is a cone. This is a cone. All of you have seen ice cream cone and a birthday cap. This is the example of cone. Ice cream cone is the example of cone and the birthday cap is also the example of a cone. Now what is this? This is a shuttlecock. Shuttlecock is also an example of cone. This is a birthday cap. This birthday cap is just like a cone. We do see cone has no side, only a curved surface and a single face. Come to the next structure. This is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Cylinder has 2 faces and a curved surface. Now see how? This is the example of a cylinder. This tumbler is also an example of the cylinder. How many faces a cylinder have? 1 and 2 faces. this is the example of cylinder. You all have seen this one. This is a cell and these two cells are known as battery, and this is a talcum powder box like this one. This is the example of a cylinder. Come to the next structure. This is a sphere. This is a sphere. Children, do you remember any other structure like this? Yes, it looks like circle, but circle is a 2D structure, that is a flat structure or plane structure, and the sphere is a 3D structure. How? We will now understand this with the example. So children, this is a soccer ball. This is the example of a sphere. Now, can you remember the example of a circle? Yes. This is a compact disc. This is the example of a circle. Can you find out the difference? Yes. As I told you earlier, the 2D structure is a flat structure and the 3D structure are those structures which can be used for storage. So this is a sphere and this is a circle. Now you all must have understand the difference between a circle and a sphere, and also the difference between a 2D structure and a 3D structure. Now with another structure we will understand about 3D shape. So children, this is another example of sphere. This is globe. This is the shape of our earth. The shape of our earth is spherical. No, the shape of our earth is geoid shape, but we will discuss about it when we will come to that lesson. Now we are discussing about the spherical shape, and in the globe the earth is generally made as spherical. Now children, today we understand about 3D structures. Now we all know about the 2D structure and the 3D structure, the basic 2D and 3D structures, and the difference between these 2D and 3D structures. As we all know, 2D structures are the flat structures or plane structures, and the 2D structures are the structures that makes the solid shapes that are known as 3D shapes. So that's all for now.